Welcome to How To For You, and today's video is actually a viewer request I received a while ago on how to use a broom and a dustpan. Now this can actually be pretty tricky since you have to coordinate two items to come together to complete one task. And I know a lot of people use dustbusters instead now, but if its battery runs out, you don't want to be stuck with a mess on the floor. Now my mess you can see here is I spilled my collection of 1943 copper pennies, which I want to make sure I clean up so I don't lose any of them. So the first step is to put the dustpan on the floor with the flat edge towards the spill. I tried turning it this way and it didn't quite do the trick, even after multiple attempts. Then you have to take the broom and push the spill toward the dustpan. You can also push the dustpan towards the spill, but that kind of defeats the purpose of having a broom. And you might need to back it up a little bit. I'm seeing that the flat edge of the dustpan and the edge of the pennies doesn't work really well, so let me just kind of well, I think you get the point. If you need to kind of just use your fingers, you can just pick everything up. The dustpan's a good way to start, but sometimes you have to finish doing this. And you just keep doing that. So you got them all cleaned up. Put one here. And there you have it. Put them back where you want them to be, and put the dustpan and the broom somewhere else so it's at the ready for the next clumsy person. If you found this video helpful, click the like button below and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Have a great day.